Hi, in this video I will show you how to easily use same WhatsApp account from two different phones. So as you can see, here's I'm using my WhatsApp account, and now in this mobile I will use the same WhatsApp account. First of all, in your second mobile, open WhatsApp, tap on agree and continue, and once you are in this number option, tap on this three dot at the top right and just tap on link as company on device, and in your first WhatsApp phone, go to settings, tap on linked device, tap on link device, and all you have to need, scan this QR code from your first WhatsApp account. Once you successfully scanned your QR code, you will be signed in to the same WhatsApp account from your second mobile. As you can see, I'm using the same account from two different mobiles. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.